Hello and a very good day to Dr. Nohar Fiza. My name is Punchun Phai with the matrix number AE190091 from Group 8 of Section 2. In this part of the video, I shall be presenting my parts, which are abstract and introduction. So first off, I shall be presenting the abstract part. Digital signal processing DSP is the process of analyzing and modifying a signal to optimize or improve its efficiency or performance. In this project, we have chosen tone identification, which is a process that identifies tones as signal tones are used whenever there are audio signals involved, and these tones are required to be processed as well to be used properly. Our project aims at identifying tones by testing it when several audio signals are provided, and from these provided audio signals, which of them matches with our test audio signal. Through MATLAB simulating software and modeling, the results that we have obtained after running our simulations showed graphs with audio signals that we have inputted that have been processed using cross-correlation technique. In the end, we have successfully attained what we wish to obtain in the project of tone identification, which is finding the signal from several audio signal sources that corresponds to the test audio signal through cross-correlation technique. Next, for the introduction part, well, I shall start with digital signal processing refers to various different techniques for improving the accuracy and reliability of digital communications. Tone identification is one of those signal processing methods, as we can find the appropriate audio signal that we wish to acquire by identifying it in a mix of several audio signals. Furthermore, tone identification is widely used in our modern digitized world, such as in pattern recognition systems and speech recognition systems, for our speech can be recorded and be converted into digital audio signals. These digital audio signals can act as, like a pattern that can be read by computers, and each of these audio signals have their own specific patterns that speech recognition systems algorithms can sort. Speech recognition technologies have gotten very good and better over the years, as evident by the advent of smart devices with digital assistants such as Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, or Google's Google Assistant. One of the methods that can be utilized for tone identification is the cross-correlation technique, and that is why we have decided to use MATLAB simulating software, as it has the cross-correlation function that we were able to use in regards to our project. By using the cross-correlation function, the software will then be able to acquire the audio signal that we have set as our test audio signal from an assortment of various different audio signals. That is all from me. Thank you very much.
A very good afternoon. My name is Suji Chen. My meeting number is AE19209. I am member of Group M at Section 2. So today I'm going to discuss about the methodology for our group projects. So first we need to find the similarity between two audio signals. So we use the cross correlation method to complete our task. Correlation is the measure of similarity between two series as a function of the display of one relative to the others in signal processing. So second, we set out the MATLAB simulating. So we set out the MATLAB simulating by using S bracket function to test the stability between four input audio signal and one test audio signal. So this is all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nek Nur Akila, and now I will continue on our MATLAB coding for our result of the cross correlation in tone identification. So first we have the 6 file of audio. The testing initial is used as a test file, and it's also used as a sampling frequency. Then we will cross-correlate the testing initial audio file with the first to fifth file to get the cross-correlation. To get the cross correlation between the sample file and the test file, we use this this equation, and we also find the maximum value of intensity of frequency, and run it. So as a result that we get, this is the cross correlation between the test file and the fifth sample, and this also the cross correlation between the test file and the fourth sample, and this is the cross correlation between the test file and the third sample. We can see that it's identical, and this is the cross correlation between the test file and second sample, and the lastly is the test file and the first sample. Thank you.
Very good day to Dr. Nohabiza. My name is Darren. Today I'm going to present a digital signal processing BEV30603 group project, which is our topic is a musical identification system. Okay, so I'm going to present a result and discussion, which we are using cross correlation technique and method coding block diagram. So the formula is simply R equals X correlation of X and Y. X and Y is test sample file, audio test sample file, and the 5 samples. So we are using 5 sample file and 1 test file. Okay, so for the first test file, it's recorded at a 30 amplitude, which is quite low resemblance and similarity with the test file. And for the second, it's recorded, I think it's the lowest resemblance, which is not exactly the same with the audio musical notes as the test file. Okay, so for the third, recorded at 2000 something, which is the highest, and it can be said it's almost identical to the test file, which the musical notes of the instruments which are using cross correlation is actually matched with the test file. So the third sample file is the matching one. Okay, so it's can be said it's perfect, highly correlated relationship between these two audio files. Okay, for the fourth audio file and test file, it's recorded at third 17, which is also quite low resemblance. And for the fifth and the test file it's got a little bit of identical, which recorded at a 90 amplitude. Okay, so as you can see in our project, we have the echo, which test file is matching. It's a third sample. So that's it for information. Thank you.
Alright, very good morning to all the lecturers who is watching this video presentation today. My name is Lee Jinjoy, and now I'm going to present a few about the DSP project, the conclusion part. So in the signal processing, cross correlation is a measure of similarity of two series as a function of displacement of one relative to the others. So this is also as known as a sliding dot product or inner product. And the cross correlation is similar in nature to the convolution of two functions. In our project, 5 different audio files is tested with one of the unknown test file which is created in order to test the functionality of cross correlation. First, it is known that from the MATLAB block diagram and graph illustration, third sample audio file is typically matched with the test file of our project. So that is the conclusion from us. Thank you very much. Thank you for attention.